Photoshop tools not only allow for drawing images but also for editing, processing image effects, and altering their visual appearance. To make an image more perfect, you must master these tools. This chapter will mainly introduce how to use retouching tools to beautify images, ultimately achieving the desired image effect and making the images more flexible. Photoshop CC 2020 offers a wide array of professional image repair tools, including the Clone Stamp tool, the Pattern Stamp tool, the Spot Healing Brush tool, the Healing Brush tool, the Patch tool, and the Red Eye tool. Using these tools can quickly fix blemishes and imperfections in images. This lesson will be structured around 4 key sections. 1. Learning objectives. 2. Using the Clone Stamp tool. 3. Using the Pattern Stamp tool. And 4. Case study. The learning objectives for this lesson are: 1. Master the use of the Clone Stamp tool. 2. Master the use of the Pattern Stamp tool. We'll start by learning how to use the Clone Stamp tool and the Pattern Stamp tool. 1. Clone Stamp tool. The Clone Stamp tool applies a sampled part of an image to another part of the same image or another image. Open the file, clonestamptool.psd. Click the Clone Stamp tool. Set tool parameters in the options bar. Hold down the Alt key and click on the image to sample. Release the Alt key and click on the area to be repaired to clone the sampled image. In the options bar of the Clone Stamp tool, if the aligned option is checked, you can continuously sample pixels without losing the current sampling point. If the aligned option is unchecked, the sample pixel from the initial sampling point will be used each time you stop and start painting again. If the Sample All Layers checkbox is checked, data will be sampled from all visible layers. If the Sample All Layers checkbox is unchecked, only the current layer is sampled. The Pattern Stamp tool copies and applies system-provided or user-defined patterns to an image. Patterns can be used to create special effects, background textures, or wallpaper designs. Aligned. When this checkbox is checked, the applied pattern will remain continuous, and even multiple clicks will achieve seamless pattern filling. If unchecked, the defined pattern will be reapplied with each click, resulting in separate patterns between clicks. Impressionist. Checking this checkbox allows you to simulate an Impressionist-style pattern effect. Let's learn how to use the Pattern Stamp tool through a practical example. Start the software and execute File, New. Create a new RGB image with a height of 3000 pixels, a width of 2000 pixels, and a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. Press the shortcut Ctrl+O to open the pattern.jpg file from the relevant resources. Execute Edit, Define Pattern. In the Pattern Name dialog, click OK to define a custom pattern. Select the Pattern Stamp tool from the toolbox. In the options bar, choose a soft round brush tip. Find the defined pattern in the drop-down list. and check the Align checkbox. Adjust the brush size and fill the canvas with the pattern. Open the elephant.png file from the relevant resources and drag it into the document. Select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbox and click on the skateboard part of the image to create a selection. Select the Pattern Stamp tool from the toolbox, set a soft round brush tip in the options bar, and select the pattern from the drop-down list. Adjust the brush size to an appropriate level and fill the selection with the pattern. In this lesson, we learned about the application of the Stamp tool group, understanding the functions and use of the tools. We also explored the similarities and differences between the Clone Stamp tool and the Pattern Stamp tool. Please complete the following exercises and practice further in your spare time to deepen your understanding and improve your skills. That concludes this lesson. See you next time.